One hurdle that I have to deal with as a photographer is that I'm kind of short, and most of the people I'm photographing are going to be taller than me. Sometimes I want to compose them a little bit differently, maybe get the background in a different way, but being short makes it a little bit challenging. So there are a couple different ways that I go about getting around this. First, I try to bring a stepladder to most of my photo shoots. This gives me maybe 1 or 2 feet of height that I can add and a little bit more flexibility with my photographs. Another trick you can use is you can ask your subject to spread their feet a little bit wider. When you have someone who can lower their stance down a little bit, you're able to get more eye level with that person. This makes it a little bit easier for you to photograph them physically, but you're also able to compose your shot exactly how you'd like it.